C5 to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1999 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable target tops. Plural does have the smoked one as well as the solid silver, which would be the Sebring silver metallic, I believe, in 99. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And first off, let's take a look. Look at this nose cone. It's a 3-owner car, always in the same area, never driven in inclement weather. A little over 51,000 miles. So you divide that out by year, a little over 2,000 miles is all put on this car per year. Now, if you want to check out the still picture, so you can see the engine bay, the underside, check out the underside, just as clean as the top. Engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. These real clean C5s have not stuck around real long. We put them up for sale, so make sure you give a call if this is one you're interested in. It's a nice one. Take a look at the wheels. Chrome wheels, stock chrome wheels. Also appears new rotors up front, assuming new brakes. Up and down the side of this on the passenger side has this optional trim piece here, which breaks up that cove. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches really much of anywhere on this car, especially considering age. Until it was well taken care of, adult driven. Interior shows the same way. So we get the black leather, of course the LS1, I believe 345 horse, and that would be paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, these were nicely equipped, especially this particular car. Heads up display, driver's information center, AM/FM cassette. Also has a dual climate control, dual power seats with the power lumbar. Of course, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, power steering, power brakes, AC, center dump exhaust, and it does have a nice sounding exhaust. Take a look back here, Corsa exhaust on it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few other goodies that are going to go with this. It does have the front license plate filler panel. Also, a car cover will be put in the trunk. The original Corvette showroom brochure. There's your smoked top. I have the solid gray one, or silver I should say, in the back. Also has the privacy cargo net across the back there also, and you can see that in the still pictures. I have the cargo net in, have it pictured with the tops out so you can see the trunk area. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and as you can see, the wheels also in nice shape all the way around. Take a look up and down this driver's side, again free of nicks, dings, or scratches. If I was being really fussy, I think there's one I saw earlier when I was picturing it up. I don't know if I can get it to show up in this video or not. Right there, if you can see that, even that is about the only blemish that really stood out to me at all, and I mean that is minute. So this one's not going to this is not going to disappoint, folks. Sorry about that. Bose stereo system, of course, memory seating. Door panels in nice shape, as well as carpeting, floor mats. Take a look at the seats. Bolster, also nice shape on this one. Leather seating surfaces, looking good. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out that Corsa exhaust. You get nothing over the top, just a little more throatier sound. All right, how about that? 27 miles to the gallon too. Been running with this one. Let's go ahead and check out. Get to the miles here. 51 and some odd miles. Just gotta find it here. Sorry about that. There you go, 51,063 miles. Dual climate control, electronic, of course. Dash, everything else in nice shape also. There's your heads-up display. And again, no warning lights, no warning indicators, just the fact I don't have the seatbelt on. All right. Slip around to the back. There you go. Just a nice little throaty rumble. Nothing major. Just a good sounding car. Liven up that stock exhaust of the Corsa. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 sec.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner, how clean that is. Again, you can tell it's not been driven in inclement weather. Not full of road salt, grime, debris, anything like that. And look at how clean this engine bay is. It's that 5.7 liter, and again, I believe 345 horse. Great riding cars. These have a little more room in them too than some of the newer models. Found this too. Don't see this at all. Nice filler panel over the battery. Cleans up that engine bay, makes it look good. Hear how smooth that engine runs. LS1, great engine. There you go. You're looking for a nice, clean C5 Coupe. Removable tops, both of them. Clean Carfax. Good ownership history. A little over 2,000 miles per year. Here you go, 1999 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or call in or email.